everyone, this is Meenal Vijay Pense and let's see what the first week of November 2020 has in store for the sun sign Aries. For Aries, the first week of November 2020 is going to be a pretty well relaxing sort of a week. Particularly for the first week of November, you might feel very relaxed, very much in your own comfortable zone, let's say your me space. You might want to have a lot of me time. This is a week where particularly you would not like to really go out and socialize and, with people or with friends. Rather, you would prefer to sit at home, relax, just do what you wanted to do, especially on an indoor level, not going outdoors. So moving on to the space of work-wise for the Aries, this is a very good week because in this week, everything is going to be very relaxed, very balanced. Sure, there are going to be a couple of important meetings for you at work and a lot of decision making things are also going to happen where your decisions, your opinions are really going to matter. But overall, it is going to be a very balanced and a nice week with no stress, no excessive running and rushing around. Things are just going to flow very smoothly and nicely. Moving on to the finances. Finances are actually very good for Arians for the first week of November. In fact, in this week, you would be actually deciding on making that big purchase which you've been thinking about since quite some time. Well, you have the finances and nothing is impossible for you right now. And yet, the cards ask you to keep some kind of a restraint. This is because the financial decision or the investment that you're about to make is going to be a very important one. It is going to have a very long lasting effect. So the cards ask you not to hurry, not to be impulsive, rather sit down, think quietly about all the options that you have. Weigh the pros and cons of each and every option that is available to you and then eventually come down to a sensible decision. You have all the time, you have all the money, so there's no unnecessary need to rush and go ahead and make that financial investment. So you have the entire week of the 1st November to actually think through all the options and weigh the pros and cons and then go ahead and make a sensible decision, let's say probably by the 2nd week of November. But for the first week, it is more advisable that you just sit tight and think over the other options that you may have. You never know that the other option, sometimes that you thought that is not viable, can actually turn out to be a much beautiful one. Moving on to the area of relationships, the first week of November for the Arians is going to be a very beautiful one. This is because in this week you will observe that there's going to be a lot of love and understanding and cooperation between you and your spouse or you and your family members. If there's any important issue, if there's something that is eating you up emotionally, and I will say especially on an emotional level, and if you want to discuss it with your family members or your spouse, this is actually a very good time. Because in the first week of November, when you discuss things with your loved ones, you will find that there is a lot of understanding, there's a lot of compassion for the issues that you will be discussing. So you will feel very well loved, you will feel very supported, and hence the things would be discussed very amicably, things would be sorted out very nicely. Moving on to the area of health, because this entire week is a very relaxed kind of a week with no rush and no fast hurrying up in any area of your life, you're going to feel very nice. You're going to feel very pleasant, very energetic, fresh and active. So this first week of November 2020 for the health wise for the Arians is also going to be an excellent week. Just be careful to see to it that you don't stay up late nights, because too much of relaxation is going to make you very hyperactive mentally. So you might be just watching up or binge watching films back to back late nights. So the cards ask you to be very careful regarding your sleep cycles. Pay attention to your sleep cycles and the rest, everything will fall in place. Here's wishing you a very beautiful week ahead.